Bedtime, Rome. This is Rome's bedtime book. Rome has had a very fun day, filled with lots of sunshine and time to play. Now it's bedtime for you. Do you remember all you have to do? First, Rome puts all of his toys back in their nooks. His Legos, dolls, crayons, cars, playmats, and books. Rome's toys. Next, Rome brushes his teeth morning and night, which helps to keep them sparkly white. Rome uses a stool to see. Up he goes. 1, 2, 3. Bath time means that playtime isn't over yet. Getting squeaky clean with Ducky makes it fun to get wet. Rome puts on his pajamas, which makes him feel snug and cozy. His eyes are getting sleepy, and he's feeling rather dozy. Rome can't wait to climb into his big comfy bed. He grabs his teddy and thinks of a fun day ahead. He reads a book to Teddy so he can learn his ABCs. Rome shows him the pictures of the animals and trees. Rome's eyes are getting tired and he's starting to yawn. It's time to go to dreamland before the sunrise at dawn. Last, Rome knows it's time to turn out the light. He kisses those he loves as they wish him good night. Rome's goodnight checklist. Did you pick up your toys? Did you brush your teeth? Did you take a bath? Did you put your pajamas on? Did you read your book? And did you turn off the light? Pleasant dreams, Rome. Sleep tight. The end. Rome, try one of our other personalized books at firsttimebooks.com. Good night, Rome.